Man, making an instructional video is hard.
Alright.
Let's look up a video on how to do it.
Alright, let's do it.
Oh, there's one. So, do you want to make an instructional video?
Well, do we have a thing for you?
I'm James.
I'm Evan.
And this is how to make an instructional video.
So the first thing that you're going to need is a tripod,
A camera.
a computer,
And a friend. Hey. And now what you need to do. And now what you're going to need to do is get an idea of what it's going to be about.
Now what we'll need to do is brainstorm some ideas. You'll need to write the treatment/plot. Finally, what you will need is to write a script/screen/shot selection.
Now that we're done with writing, now we can get to the fun part, recording.
So this is how you set up a tripod.
So, when you have that done, turn on your camera, check the battery, SD card, and make sure the lens is clean. Then start recording and remember your rule of thirds.
Now when you are recording, remember to add a ton of unnecessary cuts.
Okay, now we need to edit. So first, we have to go through our shots, see how they look. We call this logging our shots.
Now the apps I would recommend for you is Adobe Creative Cloud, Blender, Adobe Rush, Adobe other things.
Okay. Then you will need to trim the shots, add music, add credits, other important stuff, etc. Huh, so that's how you do it.
Yeah.